Hello to all my friends out there. So my phone does not like to be hot. So anyway, okay, last night I made some delicious bacon gravy, and so tonight I made some baked ham. This is good. So last night I made mention of ham gravy. And the way I like to make ham gravy is just like any gravy. I make it with milk. It's delicious. When I cook my ham, I just put oil and salt and pepper. A little bit of salt, doesn't need too much salt. And then I had my I don't have my heat high enough. I was doing a lot of housework in this heat, which is always miserable. If you want to make really good gravy, you need to heat a little bit on the hot side. You know, for it to cook up fast. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the milk in little by little. This is the powdered milk I made last night, about 4 cups. Nothing is better than ham gravy. Back in the day, a long time ago, my uncle was a barber, and he worked as a barber until the day he died, and I thought so I would too. And so during the Depression, nobody had money, and so when they slaughtered the hogs, they paid him in Virginia hams, and then he was the oldest son, and you know, everybody was pretty much meatless, and he brought Virginia hams home to the family, and those stories went on for at least 2 generations. You can imagine no meat, and here somebody comes with Virginia hams. I mean, that was cause for celebration. And when I was a kid, we'd go to my uncle's, and they would slaughter the hogs. We didn't actually see them slaughter them, but we would see them hang the hogs, you know, after they were slaughtered. And when I was a kid, oh, I loved to see that. Now I think that was a little bloodthirsty, but you know, this was a long time ago, and kids were not so overprotected. Now, you know, they probably call child protective on you if you did something like that, but you know, that was some good times. And fortunately, I still have some nice green tea with sugar. Oh, my gravy's looking good. So what I want to do is I want to make this gravy, and I want to put some gravy on my ham. And oh, you didn't see that. It's been a long day. Well, hey, my gravy. Oh no. Let me taste this. It's probably okay, but that was too much talking, not enough paying attention. Nope, it's okay. I don't know why it's okay. And so I'm going to put my my tasty ham right back into the gravy. Right around the edges. It's actually delicious. It's like, you know, if you get good drippings, you can't hardly wreck it. You know, you really can't. And so this is what I really do. And then I put the sweet potatoes. These are just plain old sweet potatoes from the can. I stockpile sweet potatoes. You know, it's really good sweet potato pancakes. I might make some of those tomorrow. Yummy. This is going to be good. Let me give you a little shot of my gravy, tea and all. These videos are raw and uncut. And then I made a few green beans. So you can see if you can see my gravy over here, this is looking very, very yummy. I'm going to cook it like this for a few minutes too. All right, let me give you another shot of that which stole my look glasses. Isn't it so crazy in a culture how everyone at once will decide, I was in the women's bathroom, you know, when I was walking 2 hours a day, and I saw so many girls with these pink sunglasses, you know, tucked in their shirts, and it's so crazy in a culture how everyone will decide, hey, this year it's pink sunglasses. Take a look at that. Ham gravy is very tasty. And God bless you all.